In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a DocuSign document after it's already been signed. Void a document when circumstances change, the agreement is no longer needed, or there's been a mistake in the document. This can save you from unnecessary complications later on. So let's get started. First, go to the DocuSign homepage by opening your preferred web browser and logging into your DocuSign account. Once there, you'll find yourself at the home interface, which hosts numerous options related to document management and settings. Take a moment to get acquainted with this page if you haven't done so already. Next, you need to navigate to the section labeled Agreements. This area is your main hub for any transactions you've started or completed, and it's where you can find the specific document you wish to void. Once you're in your Agreements section, you'll want to head over to the Envelopes area. This is where documents that are in various stages of signing are housed, whether they're still pending or fully completed. When you've arrived in the Envelopes section, direct your attention to the Inbox tab. The inbox is an essential part of your DocuSign account because it's where you'll find all incoming documents that require your review, attention, or imminent action. After opening your inbox, locate the specific document you intend to void. At this point, you're looking for a series of 3 dots typically situated alongside each document. This represents additional options. Clicking here will provide you with the opportunity to proceed with voiding the document. With the additional options opened, you will see the option labeled Void. Select this option to initiate the voiding process. Be sure to review the document first to ensure it is indeed the correct one you wish to void, as this action cannot be undone. Now, you'll arrive at an essential step, which involves providing a reason for voiding the document. It's vital to communicate clearly why you are voiding it. Whether it's because one or more parties need an amendment, the agreement is no longer necessary, or some other reason. This information will be communicated to all involved parties, helping maintain transparency. Finally, once you've made your selection and provided a reason, click on Void once again to confirm your action. This final step solidifies the voiding process, effectively rendering the document inactive and notifying all parties involved of the status change. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can void any DocuSign document you've already signed. As always, exercising care and ensuring open communication with all involved parties can help streamline the digital signing process and avoid misunderstandings. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, manage your documents with confidence.